Are the HP Omen 15 good? The HP Omen 15 2021 features a 165Hz QHD display and the latest GPU and CPU hardware. The HP Omen 15 2021 offers some compelling features at a price that won't break the bank if you are looking for a gaming laptop that doubles as your everyday work or study machine. With a built-in SD card reader, a 3.5mm audio port and a display port, this is a great choice for content creators or streamers. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 and RTX 3070 graphics cards ensure that any game will run smoothly on this monitor. The 165Hz display gives you an edge in competitive games, and the Omen Gaming Hub software provides lots of performance optimization options. The HP Omen 15 keeps very cool as well, but you have to listen to some pretty noisy fans, which isn't unusual, especially when running demanding applications, but those were really grating on the ears. HP Omen 15 might not be the biggest fish in the pond, but it sure can punch above its price tag. Instead, see it as a feature-packed stepping stone for PC gamers who need portability, or even a good hybrid device for students or content creators who need some extra functionality. There are several configurations of the HP Omen 15 2021. You'll find other configurations available depending on your region, including a few Intel variations, including our review unit with an AMD Ryzen 5 5800H processor, 16GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics card for $1,499, £1,200, around $2,000 Australian. The Omen 15 on HP's website can be configured with up to a Ryzen 9 5900HX processor, RTX 3070 graphics card and 1TB M.2 SSD storage for $198,999. The maximum configuration on the UK site was a Ryzen 7 5800H processor, RTX 3070 GPU, and 1TB M.2 SSD storage for £1,699. RAM is capped at 16GB. Display options are either standard 1080p FHD and 144Hz or 1440p QHD, sometimes dubbed 2K, at 165Hz. You can also pick either a 1-zone white backlit keyboard or a 4-zone RGB keyboard for an extra $20. Although there are some complaints about build quality and cost-saving measures, the HP Omen 15 has plenty of features, especially with regards to ports. On the left there's an HDMI port, a USB-A port, an Ethernet port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a built-in SD card reader, and a charging port. There are two USB-A ports, a USB-C port and a mini display port on the right, so you can connect an additional display, or two, if you use HDMI and DisplayPort simultaneously, and use a VR headset. You can connect your favorite gaming mouse and gaming headset, but streamers may want to use a USB microphone with a headphone jack. The HP Omen 15 display has 99% sRGB coverage for creatives, though it's a little dim in bright environments. RGB backlighting isn't too bright, and you can change key colors or turn it off with Omen Light Studio. In RGB mode, you can also set a solid color to use in more professional settings. HP Omen 15 measures 14.1 by 9.4 by 0.9 inches and weighs 5.4 pounds. Even though this laptop is heavier than the Asus ROG Strix Scar 15, 5 pounds, and the Razer Blade 15, 4.73 pounds, we found it to be incredibly portable, especially given that it's a 15-inch laptop rather than a much beefier 16 or 17-inch model. You can play just about any AAA game on the HP Omen 15 2021, including Cyberpunk 2077 and Assassin's Creed Valhalla. With its high refresh rate of 165Hz, this laptop is more suited to competitive shooters and battle royale games like Apex Legends and Fortnite, and while its 3 milliseconds response time isn't the fastest on the market, it's more than enough to mitigating ghosting and motion blur. On our benchmarks, the HP Omen 15 2021 configuration scored 1,435 on Geekbench 5 and 7,980 on Multibench. While these aren't the best scores we've seen, they're fantastic for a system this cheap. The HP Omen 15 comes with Bang & Olufsen audio, which results in pretty good bass for a gaming laptop. While it's not the best we've heard and can get a little tinny at times, it's perfect for watching movies in bed or blasting music while cleaning. Apparently there have been mixed experiences regarding battery life on the HP Omen 15 2021, but we have conducted our own tests so our results are free from outside influence. However, people have reported a range of between 2 to 3 hours, but we couldn't replicate this despite running our own battery life tests, so it could just be a model using a GeForce RTX 3070 GPU. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the laptop, but if you're worried, just keep close to a power outlet so you don't go AFK. That means it's not very good for a webcam in a gaming laptop. Even in a fairly well-lit room, The 720p 30fps camera has lots of fuzzy background noise.